What happened to us?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen, and in this video I am cleaning my master bathroom. It was a disaster and really needed a good clean. So you're gonna see I get everything in this bathroom clean. The only thing that you won't see me cleaning is the shower, and that is because the shower has been maintained clean with the wand that I use from the Dollar Tree, my little cleaning hack. So if you need to clean your bathroom today, or if you have another area of your house to clean, I hope this gives you some motivation. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to
I cannot make this up. My son came and said he was done with his bananas, so he thought it would be a great idea to drop it here. Josiah!
As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars.
So this is a drawer that I organized using the little drawer organizers from the Dollar Tree, and this thing has been a lifesaver. This drawer, we used to throw things in this drawer and things would just move around and be all over the place, and it was just literally a hot mess. So ever since I put these in here, it just makes it look nicer and organized, and so you'll just see me cleaning this out and getting everything reorganized and wiping everything down.
Tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you. Tonight, nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you. Tonight, nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
Once I had everything cleared off of the countertop, then I just started wiping everything down with the Lysol wipe. On this particular day, my husband had recently gotten over being sick, and you're gonna see I am wiping everything down with the Lysol wipe. I think I even end up cleaning the hamper down with a Lysol wipe.
'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right.
The tub was another area that wasn't really dirty, so I didn't really spend time cleaning the tub, but as you can tell, I had a nice mess of toys to clean up. My kids like to use their bathroom, and then they like to use my tub as a swimming pool, sort of, so I had that to do also. And yes, I am still cleaning the toilet with the brush that broke in half. It still works, guys. Still works.
All the things you said.
And that is why you don't use a short brush. I don't know if this is weird, but I also wipe the surrounding wall around the toilet. I just get this thing about it being disinfected sometimes and just wiping that wall down. So, and the little stool, step stool that my kids have there in front of the tub. Also, if you notice that I am wearing sneakers, those are actually brand new. I don't usually wear sneakers in the house, but I was trying to wear them in. So those are brand new sneakers that I had gotten, and I was just trying to wear them in. So I was wearing them around the house, and they're really, 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 really amazingly comfortable. I'm not a sneaker person, but I love those sneakers. And then you can see I started scrubbing the floor. I needed to give it a good scrub. So I've got some soapy water in that bucket, and I just go to town scrubbing the floor. I haven't done that probably in years, but I recently saw in one of Yesenia's videos, Yesenia from A Mom's Life, she was cleaning the floor with the brush, and I said, you know what, that is a really, really good thing to do. So thank you, Yesenia, for motivating to give my floor a really, really good scrub.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
And then I just went ahead and rinsed it off with a damp, wet towel.
Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you got some motivation for your cleaning today. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider hitting that red subscribe button. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. God bless.